So I just had this spur of the moment idea to DIY some kind of boyfriend shorts, you know, like boyfriend jeans but boyfriend shorts, like right above the knee, but I didn't want actual jean like denim material. I wanted a khaki-ish kind of thing. Let me show you what I got. I got these from a store called Roses. Nope. They were $13, and I really want to like DIY them, make them kind of rugged and, you know, very personalized. So they stop right above my knee or right at my knee, so I thought I'd roll it up, maybe thread some yarn through here, and I went through my box of goodies and I found some extra grommets, large grommets, and a button. And now I'm about to go into my bedroom and see if I can find some more stuff. This is some old stuff that my grandma had. But yeah, join me on the journey. Okay, so I am currently going through my stashes of fabric to see what I want to add to my shorts, and this is what I came up with so far. So this is one of my stashes. I have about maybe 6 more. But yeah, I have this tulle, and I think I'm going to use this in the back pocket and make it stick out a little bit, you know. And I have this leopard print, really cute. I think I'm going to use that as well. Then I have this as well. It's more of like fall colors, but I still like it. I can put it somewhere on there. And honestly, I found this black and white that I would love to just thread through some gold grommets on there, but I don't think this is enough. It may be enough, it may not be enough, I don't know. I'm gonna have to find the other fabric, go through my other 5 stashes. But yeah, so far we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is my second bin, and I found this brown tulle. It's a little bit wider. And this black and white polka dot fabric, which I'm definitely going to use because why not? Also, this red material, I believe it's a shoelace. I bought it for someone else to work on something, but we didn't end up using it all. So I have this extra. I think I'm going to use this to thread through the grommets instead of that black and white, since I found this black and white. Okay, so I have all the materials that I found in my bedroom, and this is what it looks like all together. All of this on these little shorts right here. Now I just gotta figure out how I'm actually going to put it on there. I'm so excited. This is gonna be amazing.